Good morning students. Myself Savita Alfred welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Today I am going to teach you class 6 chapter 2 Wild Duck and its grammar exercise. In my previous videos I have taught you word meaning of the chapter, and I explained the whole chapter, and I taught you question answers and objectives also. Today I am going to teach you grammar usage exercise A. Our exercise A is consider the use of the in each of these sentences and say why it is there. It means we have to tell why in these sentences the is used. So let's start our chapter, and first we have to know what is the. What is the? The is an article. In your earlier classes you have already studied what is article. Only I will remind you. So there are two types of articles. First number is indefinite articles, number two is definite articles. Indefinite is not fixed. They are not fixed in numbers, and they are definite means they are fixed in numbers. In indefinite articles we use two types of articles. Number one, and number two, a. We already know there are 26 letters in our alphabets. So where we use an, we have already studied, we use an before vowels. And what are vowels? In our 26 alphabets, 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are, these 5 alphabets are vowels. Except these 5 letters or alphabets, rest of 21 letters are known as consonant. Consonant, and we use a. We use a before consonants. So the word which is used before with the letter A, E, I, O, U, we use with them an. Like for example, apple. We use here an apple. E, elephant. Its first letter is vowel, so we will use here an. Our next indefinite article is a. We use a before consonant, means B, C, D, F, G, H, like that. You already know it. Consonant. What is consonant? So for the example, B, book. Its first letter is consonant, so we use here with the book A. C, camel. In general, we will use a camel. So a or an we use in general for the general nouns, and for the first time when we are using these words in first sentence, we use a for the first sentence, a or an for the first sentence, and the Definite articles means fixed articles. Here we use the. The article. The is used when we talk about something second time. First time when we use any noun, we are using any noun first time, then we will write a. And when we use that noun again second time, we use the. Second time. That means I ate dash pear. For example, I ate dash pear. Dash pear was sweet. Dash pear was sweet. I ate dash pear. So we are using pear first time here. So this is a pear is a noun. We will use before noun an article a, because we are using a, because pear we are using first time, and in the next sentence we are using pear second time. So we will write dash pear was article. Pear is a noun, so we will use before noun an article. So we will use here the. Students, I have told you when we use noun for the second time in the sentence, so where there we use the. We use the for unique and famous buildings. Unique things means the sun, the moon, they are unique things. And famous buildings means the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, we use for the famous buildings. We use the before a whole group. When we are talking about the whole group of something, so we use the. Like the old man, the young, and the rich man, the poor. So we use the here. For the known things, like when we say please shut the door, so we know the door, so we can say shut the door, yeah, open the windows. Fifth number, so for the superlative things means the highest, the cleverest, the most beautiful. So there for the superlative forms we use the. For rivers, for our rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, we use the. And for holy books like the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, we use the for the holy books. So the is used when we use for something which is only one in a place. That means the Prime Minister, the President, they are one in place. So in this example we can see we have to meet dash principal. In the school only one principal is there, so we will use here the principal. We use the when we use a noun phrase with the structure the dash of dash, we use the as in dash wings of the duck. Phrases are, as you know, phrases are group of words without any verb in the sentence. So in this phrase the dash wings of the duck. We will use here the wings of the duck. Like that. Another example, dash cost of a bus pass. The cost of a, we will use here the cost of a bus pass. So let's start our exercise. Consider the use of in each of these sentences and say why it is there. Our first sentence is, she was on a bus when I phoned her. The bus was too noisy for us to talk. So second time we are using the, so it is referred, we are referring to the bus mentioned in the first sentence. First there is bus in first sentence, and for the first sentence we are using the bus second time. So we are referring to the bus mentioned in the first sentence. Its answer will be, we are referring to the bus mentioned in the first sentence. Second number is, we can't talk now. Wait till the lesson is over. Here the lesson is over. So we are talking about here, we are referring to the lesson for the specific lesson or the knowing lesson we are talking about. So we are telling to the lesson, we are referring to the lesson for the specific lesson. Number 3 is, how much was the bill for all this shopping? How much was the bill? The bill for all this shopping. Here is the is used for the knowing thing. Means we had a shopping, so we know the bill shopkeeper will give. So that is our knowing thing. So we are used here the for the knowing thing. So we have used here, how much was the bill for all this shopping. Number 4 is, where is the long distance bus station? Long distance bus station. We have used here the before long distance bus station for the definite place. Bus station is a definite place. So we are using here, we are referring to the long distance bus station for the definite place or definite thing. Number 5 is, we sang the national anthem at the end of the function. The national anthem. We had used here before national anthem. We know our national anthem is only one thing, one song, Jana Gana Man. So we are referring here only one unique thing. So we had used here the national anthem. Hope you have understood it. So students, today I have taught you exercise A of grammar usage. I hope you have understood this exercise. So students, write down this exercise A in your copy and learn it properly. Thank you.